Have you ever looked at your bank account and wondered where all your money went? You work hard. You put in the hours. Yet somehow, it still feels like you're not getting ahead. Most people don't stay broke because they don't earn enough money. They stay broke because of habits. Small habits. Daily habits. The kind of habits that seem harmless at first, but quietly destroy financial progress over time. This is probably the most common money mistake in the world. Most people get paid and immediately start spending. Bills, shopping, entertainment, and whatever is left at the end of the month gets saved. The problem? For most people, there's nothing left. Wealthy people often do the opposite. They save first. Then they spend what's left, even if it's a small amount. Because saving isn't about how much you start with. It's about building the habit. This habit is expensive. And it's everywhere. A lot of people buy things they don't need, with money they don't have, to impress people they don't even like. Here's the problem. Looking rich and being rich are completely different things. One is appearance. The other is reality. The goal should never be to impress strangers. The goal should be financial freedom. Because freedom lasts much longer than attention. Avoiding financial education. Most people spend years learning how to work, but very little time learning how money works. Think about school. You learn many subjects, but very few people are taught how to budget, how to invest, how wealth is actually built. The good news? You don't need a finance degree. You don't need to become an expert overnight. You just need curiosity. Read books. Listen to podcasts. Watch educational content. Learn one new money lesson every week. This habit quietly steals years from people. Many people say things like, "I'll start saving when I earn more. I'll invest when the economy improves." But the perfect time rarely arrives. There will always be uncertainty. There will always be excuses. There will always be reasons to wait. The people who build wealth aren't always the smartest. They're often the ones who started, even when they weren't fully ready. Even when they didn't know everything. Even when conditions weren't perfect. Progress beats perfection. Every single time. Imagine trying to lose weight without knowing what you eat. Sounds difficult, right? The same thing happens with money. Many people have no idea where their money actually goes. A few dollars here. A few dollars there. It doesn't feel like much in the moment. But over weeks, months, and years, those small expenses add up. The goal isn't to stop spending money. The goal is to spend intentionally. Because every dollar has a job. And when you tell your money where to go, you stop wondering where it went. Most financial problems don't come from a lack of intelligence. They come from habits. The good news? Habits can change. Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built one decision at a time. One saved dollar. One smart investment. One better habit. Repeated over and over again. Your financial future won't change in a day. But it can change because of what you do today. Start small. Stay consistent. And let time do the rest. If you found value in this video, subscribe to Wealth Frequency. And start building wealth one habit at a time.